Hello, I'm Karen Lawrence Webster, a member of the Delta College Board of Trustees. The Delta College Middle School Manufacturing Experience is a brand new program designed to bring businesses and middle school teachers together for a unique learning experience that will ultimately benefit students.
The Delta College Middle School Manufacturing Experience is a way to tie the misunderstanding that exists between the public concept of manufacturing as being something old and dirty and perhaps not requiring a lot of education with the reality of the modern world, where manufacturing is frequently clean, sometimes in clean rooms even.
The Middle School Manufacturing Experience is a STEM initiative: science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. So that's important to students, teachers, and businesses because they all benefit from this program. This program does a good job of tying those different groups together. For businesses, they need skilled, qualified workers for their future positions. And a big part of that is STEM education if you're going to work in manufacturing. So what this program does is allows teachers to get some insights from the businesses as to what skills their students are going to need.
The program really started its implementation last year with 3 of us arranging and having done internships at 3 local modern manufacturers. One of the people who did it last year was our pilot middle school teacher. So we developed something where one of us could go in and team teach with her a project to one of her science classes.
I had the opportunity to be part of the pilot program. I worked with Cirrus Lubrication Company in Midland and had the time of my life. It was nice to get out of my usual routine, my daily routine. And I learned a ton about manufacturing and got excited about bringing that back into my own classroom and getting my students ready to be future generations of workers out there. While at Cirrus, I learned a great deal of information that I had never known was part of manufacturing, from packing freights to organizing orders. I also worked with the laboratory, creating different types of lubricants, and worked in the chemistry piece. And then I took what I learned there and brought it into the classroom, and we did a hands-on science project where we created speakers out of everyday household materials, styrofoam plates, paper cups, and the students then created, as part of our WAVE unit, speaker system, and they got to take both the science classroom material, English, math, and wrap it all into one really exciting project that they were able to play their favorite radio station on.
This year, the Duperon Corporation of Saginaw was chosen to help us with this project. Duperon is a manufacturer of water screening filtration systems, and it's been in business for 27 years and currently employs 56 employees.
Duperon's interest in the Delta Middle School Manufacturing Experience comes from the dream that I've had, along with our company, to form a bond between business and education.
I heard about the Middle School Manufacturing Experience through a flyer that was posted at our school, and I knew nothing about it, so I Googled it, read about it, and decided this looked like something that would be completely out of my comfort zone, which is exactly what the kids go through in the classroom when you teach something new.
Duperon is trying to provide for the teacher a full experience of what manufacturing is all about, all the way from the manufacturing floor to purchasing to engineering and in sales. So the whole experience of it, because all of those processes depend on the STEM education.
Students in my classroom a lot of times ask, how does math that they're learning relate to real life? Here, getting this manufacturing experience and seeing the different ways and the different skills needed, both hands-on skills, thinking skills, solving problems, all of that comes into play, and all that can directly be related to math and science. Whether it be taking a problem, figuring out why something's not working, or estimation skills, or measurement skills, all of that comes into play, and that's exactly what needs to be taught in the classroom for the more hands-on, real-life approaches to prepare students for 21st century jobs, STEM jobs, which are in high demand. I would encourage other teachers to participate in this manufacturing experience because it provides new insights, hands-on learning for continuing education, for promoting STEM, and it gives a real-world application of math and science.
Well, I think it's good to have a program like this because if the teacher sees what's going on, it's a lot of people teach from a book, but being able to come in here and actually see the procedure being done, putting their hands on the parts, the hands-on makes a big difference. And if she can take that back to the classroom, that would really help out the students, because they would maybe get a little bit better feel for what we do out here in the service.
We get to sort of maybe help mold the students who now maybe have gone through a few years of understanding what manufacturing is about now in middle school and then high school, and then sort of tailoring their education, if this is what they're interested in, to the needs of business.